Voila! That's you, Trey. Let's go, Trey! Hey, yellow, yellow.
Back up, back up.
Punch. Get in. Touch. Go. Yellow.
Good.
So go. Let's go. Hey. That's time! That's time anyway. So go.
Get him. Get up, reach! First!
Hey, that ball was Blue. Ready?
What's the countdown at?
15. Alright, we'll see what they're doing. A deep crosses over top. So go. Go! Bro, he's over the middle.
No, and it's just about staying patient. And then
Hey, I think two are coming.
We're good.
Just stay right here and slide over.
Right at the middle. 4.
You good? You good? You good?
Oh, yeah, you just bigger than that.
It's coming to you, Aaron. Hey, you gonna cheat more middle?
6. Go. 5.
Here.
Go. Hit that Coop.
Stay the way, so lift that.
Go.
Good block. Short. Combo Z. Back up, Tristan. God damn it, Tristan.
2.
Hey, Tristan, you went ahead of the line before they snapped. You threw a flag.
1 or 2, Mason.
Go around the routes.
6. 5.
Go around him. Go around him. There you go.
3.
There he is. I see you.
Gotta be there.
There he is.
Eighth ground. Let's go. Stay.
That was my fault. I blocked him right into you.
Go through.
I'm staying.
Go through.
Good day. Good throw.
Hey, I see the vision.
It's gonna be the first quarter. If it's not there,
Go. 5.
Ah!
5.
Robert.
5, 4, 3, 2. You got space. Go. Hey, give him one. Let's go.
you know how we rescue this score, right? Red 84.
I just blocked the rusher into him and made him throw a pick on that play.
Okay, let's go get it. Do we start with the wall or no? 15.
We did. We're only down a touchdown though. We've scored. They've scored.
10, 9, 5, 4.
Oh, impeding the rush.
Sure, no
Good shit, Jack.
Okay, no good. Let's
Go get it, baby. Come on.
I play college ball. You flexing college now.
13-7, Water Boys.
This is cardio.
probably 5, 8 years old.
But weren't you the one complaining about getting tackled?
Are you guys good? Do you guys need any more?
Oh, we're good. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
Stop crying. Shut up.
You guys are winning beer.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Shut up.
Chris, get off. Chris, get off. Chris, get off.
Crying. Shut up. Stop crying, nigga. I can do this shit all day.
Hey, Trent.
But you didn't do it when it mattered.
Hey,
The age group where it mattered, you didn't do it. So why does it
I
matter
can do this
now?
all day, nigga.
You didn't
Fuck
do
you
it when it
talking about,
mattered.
little boy.
You didn't do it when it mattered.
Good shit. Good shit.
Day.
Hey, you got a lot of subs. Everybody should be tired after this rep. Everybody go get tired.
Hey, go. Grind it.
Everybody go get tired.
I don't like
Go
that.
get tired. That's what I'm talking about.
You guys want the play or the penalty?
That's your most underrated player right there.
Hey, cool.
Stop talking. You sitting on
gotta
that bench,
stop, stay.
nigga. Join the game. Stop saying you on that bench talking. Join the game, nigga. Don't talk from the bench. Get over here. Told you I can do this all day.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Hey, come over here and talk. Don't sit on the bench.
Hey, Chris.
15, 5, 4.
You ain't back nothing. Let's go. Get upfield. Get upfield. Good job, Bobby.
Go.
Good fucking pull, Bobby. Good pull, Bobby.
What down is that?
Good job, Bobby. Good shit.
What play is that?
Hey,
You guys got
Hey, Mace.
5, 4.
Mason's nothing.
good job. Get upfield. Good job.
Tristan, let me get one. Tristan, let me get one.
Get one.
Jeff, I got you.
Hey, watch the short shit. Watch
Watch it.
Heads up. Hey, good shit, Trey. Hey, good Trey. Trey, I'm gonna do my best job to help you. No, he was worried about me. He was worried about me. Oh, okay.
Hey, behind the yellow cone.
Hey,
Yeah.
James. James.
Yeah. 15, 12, 10, 9, 8, 5,
James.
4.
Ah. Sorry.
Okay. 5, 4, 3.
Out of bounds.
Give him one.
Back up.
Last play, right? Let's go. Last play.
That's a legal run.
No, it's not.
There it is. Let's go, Krantz.
He was going.
15.
Hey, let's work. Let's go, y'all.
10. 8, 5, 4.
Oh, flag guard.
I just didn't respond to him fast enough because we didn't have no.
5, 4, 3.
Get out.
He fucking just would look.
Offense, you can scoot up. Offense, scoot up. If nobody's on the line, it's a flat. You got to scoot up. More. Ty, you're on
Where's the play clock at?
I'm telling you to scoot up.
Where's the play clock?
10, 5, 4, 3.
Hey. Center. Oh. Yes, sir.
Oops.
5, 4.
Uh-oh.
Rush.
Then we have to combo it, right?
Think so.
We have to get pressure.
Quarterbacks, no pressure is enough pressure for them. Right here.
Oh, yeah, Jay.
There you go, Jay.
Even without a runner, we have just more of the field
Good
coverage.
shit. You, Jeff, and somebody else. Okay? Always somebody rushing. Okay? That's the problem is.
After that, the center is going up. And
No, James.
so just think about it and check.
Yeah, let me get one. Hey, combo M. Combo. Stay, Jeff.
How do you got the center?
He went right to you.
That's fair.
Jay, right here.
All right, Jay. You got to stay in. You go.
That's him. Rush him, rush him, rush him. Rush him, rush him. You run.
Nice, Hottie. You gotta line up.
On a fourth down when they could Hail Mary.
But it's just one-on-one, and you got a rusher in his face. Like, I'm saying I'll take...
Now you're not saying nothing wrong, bro. Listen.
I'm taking my athletes over theirs. You feel me? Like,
Hey, listen, bro. I hear you. I'm not disputing any.
There was one on this side and there was two. There was basically 3 people. But since one was blocking, I went or I stayed. So there's 2 receivers, one on this side, but there's 2 people on this side. That's why you were confused. So next time we just gotta have
reach! Touchdown.
That's why we just gotta have another.
Hey, Tristan. Why are we going money? Do we just lock down and calm?
10, 9,
Keep the sideline clear, fellas,
4, 3, 2.
You're safe. Hey, Zach, let me get you. Come here. Jeff, you're with me. Jeff, you're with me. Aaron, you're with us.
Get up there. Get out.
Money, money.
Go.
5, 4, 3.
Get out. Go.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Let's go, Hardy. Let's go, Hardy.
The catch and the flag pull. Ball came out after.
10, 9, 3,
Somebody supposed to be sitting right here.
Fucking animal.
Yeah.
That's why we don't want him lying. Right there.
When they
That was me. I was there.
No, that's what
You don't saw the flag.
I got the play.
You're longer.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
A second. If you guys figure it out, it'll be great.
I can reach my arm out to him.
Cheat in. Cheat in. Cheat in. Money, 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 money. I'm good.
Where are we in? Combo Z? Go.
Under, under, under.
In.
Short. Jeff. It's money. It's money. I called money.
Five minutes.
Let's go.
That's all we gotta do is stop this.
Hey. 1-5. 1-5. 1-5. 5 across. 5 across. It's just 5 across. Yeah. Am I good? Am I good?
Yes, sir. Rush line, goal line. 10, go.
Watch that pylon over there.
Short.
Short. Short.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's get it.
He said it's short. The ref, no? If I'm mistaken, I'm sorry.
The foot was in, but he didn't reach.
Okay.
One guy, so it's starting to piss him off. Hey, get to yards, Ryan. Get to yards.
Good shit, Ryan.
Working, but it's also working against us. You are correct.
He's got too much time.
Yeah. Keep going, Franco. Keep going.
We gotta press. You know what's happening?
Oh, I wish you fucking would. Get rid of it.
Go, Tristan!
Upfield!
Go, Tristan!
Go!
Bobby,
Let's go. Let's get in this end zone.
we need to stop.
Let's get in this end zone. Let's go.
15.
Hey, watch that.
Come on.
Oh,
It's us
hey.
versus everybody.
That's
Let's
good.
get it.
You weak ass bomb.
It's us versus everybody.
5.
Let's go.
4.
Let's go. Let's go.
One play, let's go, let's go.
140.
Back here, boys.
Let's go. A sack would be perfect right now. Jeff, let's go, line up. Hey, defense, get lined up. Jeff, line up, let's go, right here, right here.
He got to go. Let's get it. Come on, let's play. Go in. Let's go. Let's get it.
10. 9. 8.
Let it go.
5. 4. What's that?
Hey, what's time? 1 minute warning.
1 minute. Let's go. Let's watch it.
What's the count? What's the count? What's the count? Are we up? We're down.
I don't know. You gotta get right here.
Hey, money, hey.
Cash.
Jeff, you're with us. Jeff, you're with us.
Get it.
Go, D. 15.
1 minute left to go. Hey, watch this side.
Let it go. 5. 4. Start. 3.
Deep!
Get there. Get there.
Let's go.
Hey.
He's gonna take him.
Who?
The center. So
Okay.
the quarterback needs more time. So be careful.
Yeah. We're in blue. No, we're in money. Hey, we're in money. Hey, Jeff, what's the score? We're up 1. Hey, blue. Listen up, blue. Blue.
7. 6. Let it go. 5. 4. 3.
Time out at 44. Yes. Yeah, you see it?
I know.
Timeouts they got.
I think one more maybe.
Hey, how many timeouts they got?
1. They have 1.
Keep them in bounds.
Defense, we need to stop.
Hey, James, think about clock management if they complete something here. Think about it.
Keep them in bounds. We in.
Blue.
Go, D.
Jay, line up right here. You're good, actually. You're good.
Start from the snap. Let it go.
5. 4. 3.
It's on.
Got him.
What's time? 35.
Blue.
Keep them in bounds.
Let it go.
5.
Short right here.
4.
Let's go.
That's college right there. Incomplete. He dropped it.
Get ready. Watch that line. It's 2 down. That's first. Get that line. You gotta get right here.
Blue. Jeff, I don't like you lined up there. Jeff, I need you here. Right now.
Hold on, there's a fish. Hey, I'm coming to that play. Mascara got in his eyes. Hold on.
Come on, man.
It's not waterproof.
Can we get a real ref?
It is waterproof. That's waterproof. Hey, what's formation here? All right, here we go.
Jeff, over here.
Here we go.
Jeff, over here.
Third down. Why not?
I see that.
Here. Makes it.
Motion. Let it go. 5. 4. 3. Middle. Center. Oh!
Hey, one stop.
I'm gonna
Huddle, defense, huddle, defense, huddle.
I'm gonna take this center.
Don't argue at the sideline.
Do we want to? Hey,
12 seconds. 12 seconds.
hey, listen
So I
up.
said one stop. Let's go.
Do we?
I'm gonna stay with the center.
Stay with the center, yeah. No blitz.
So it's like
No blitz.
No blitz.
Okay, you man up.
No
All right.
blitz.
All right. Hey, huddle back. Huddle. We're still in timeout. Huddle. Listen to me.
What's up?
Hey, we're doing that play. Ignore anything I say after this. Ignore anything I say. Save it.
True team?
Actually, James. Yeah. James, yeah.
They're not blitzing. One corner blitz. They're not blitzing. I just heard it. They stay in their quarters. Pressure good.
Timeout.
Now he's switching it, see?
Huddle. Just wanted to see how they line up. Hey. Listen, we run the same shit all the time. When they come in bunch,
Jam the outside guy.
one guy's coming underneath, right? So if you're on the outside, wait for that underneath. If that underneath doesn't come, you get your ass back to the fucking pylon. Because you know somebody's going to sit there, all right? You stay on the
stay with the
center,
center.
everybody else is in the zone, all right?
When in doubt, the weakness is the middle here, guys.
He has only 4 seconds. 4 or 5?
Show the blitz until the last second.
Jeff is coming underneath to you. Get up.
Step back, Huddy. There you go. There, go.
No good. Let's go.
How much time though? That's it.
It's game, right?
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Let's go.
Again. Let's go.
He was looking for the center.
I know.
Huddy.
4 seconds.
If we're doing the same thing, no.
Okay.
4 seconds. This is the last play. Let's get it.
Timeout.
Why would you do that, Franco? I mean,
Huddy, they already
had the perfect rush style.
Make him think.
Throwing them off.
You can think about. Do you want to rush?
No, I'm going to show rush and then go jam somebody.
Okay. All right. So we're going no rush, guys. We gotta lock it down here.
rush?
Yeah. You stay on the center, just like last
I'm gonna
time.
stay with the center.
Somebody needs to go. One go.
Okay, then you go.
Faster. You go.
Then you two on the right.
Hey,
Me and you on the
I'm
left.
going to force him that way. I'm going to
Corner
force
all
guys.
the way.
4 across.
Anything behind you, anything in front of you is you. We telling you in front
Yeah.
of everybody. That's you.
4 across.
Anything up in here is me.
Don't worry about the center. 4
Let's go.
across. Don't worry about the center.
Do I have to show the
Line
blitz?
is with me, guys. Rush line is
Probably
with me.
better. Yeah.
I'm good. I'm
You
over.
sit right there. You sit.
Here we go. For the game.
Jefferson's coming.
Let's go! Let's go!